Good day, I'm Ronald Siganco from BSIT 3C. I create a standard user account. Step 1. Press Windows plus U or Windows plus I to open settings. Then go to Home, Accounts, and Family and Other Users. Click Add Account. Click I don't have. Choose Add a user without a Microsoft account. Create a user for this PC. Fill up the blank. Then create a folder and give it a name, test folder. Then add some Word or PDF files inside the folder. Add the standard user to the folder permission. Right-click the folder, then click Properties, then Security tab. Click Add, then type the standard username. Then click OK, apply, OK again. Then press Windows plus L and log in the standard user. Then go to the folder and try to delete one of the files inside the folder. You should see a prompt asking for administrator permission. Encrypt the folder. Log back in administrator. And right click the folder, click Properties and General tab and Advanced. Then check Encrypt contents to secure data. Then click OK, apply, and OK again. Windows plus L and log in the standard user. Try to open the documents inside the folder and it should not open or be editable for the standard user. Change the standard user permission. Log back in as administrator. Right-click the folder, click Properties, Security tab, then check Modify, and uncheck the Read. Then Apply, then OK. Verify the new restriction. Window plus L, then log in the standard user again. Open the folder and test. So, content should be blank or unaccessible. Deleting a document. It should delete without asking for administrator approval. Delete the standard user account and remove its password. Log back in administrator. Then go to settings. Then control panels. Then user accounts. Then manage account. Click the standard users. Then change password. Under the password, type blank. Then change password. Then lock the windows. Then click the standard users and sign in without a password. To remove the standard users, click Windows, then sign out the standard users. Then back to the administrator. Then click the remove standard user account. Delete account. Then wait. Then click OK and delete. Then lock the windows. Then as you can see, the standard user account is permanently deleted. Thank you.